Looking for Alaska. John Green is American writer. He wrote Looking for Alaska in the book is about a boy named Miles Heather. He moves to new school and meets new friends. Of the team is Alaska Young, a girl who is interesting and different. She changes Miles' life, but something sad happens. Miles said that he wanted a new life, so he decided to go to a boarding school. You move to a new place, you meet new people. When he arrived, he told his roommate, the colonel, that he had never and many friends. Before the colonel said that this school was different and he introduced Miles to Alaska Young. Alaska told Miles that she loved books. She said that life was full of pain, but she also loved it a lot. One day she asked Miles if he wanted to have fun and break some rules because she liked adventure and she made Miles feel excited about life. Miles lets go of his fears. He will enjoy the adventures with Alaska. On night, Alaska and Miles talk for a long time. She whispered that she feels sad, but when he asked why she died, no answers. If Miles had instead of knowing the reason, he might have understood her pain. The next morning, the colonel told Miles that something bad had happened. He said that Alaska had died in a car accident. Miles and his friends tried to understand what had happened. The colonel asked if she had done it on purpose, but nobody knew. If Alaska were still alive, Miles would probably still be in love with her. Miles said that he'd have loved her, but he also realized that he had never really knew her. In the end, Miles thought about Alaska. He said that he'd have made her like a dream in his mind. He explained that he had never tried to understand her real feelings. In my personal opinion, the characters were not complete. Alaska was only seen through Miles' eyes, and he did not understand her, but then thought she was special. The book falls about love and grief, but it does not show what Alaska really was. In the final, and the end, Miles understand that Alaska was a mystery and they cannot change what happened. But if I could change something in the story, it would make Alex talk more about her feelings. Maybe if she talked to her friends they could help here and should world still be life. I think the story is sad but also beautiful in teach that life is not always easy, but we can learn from pain. If Alaska were still alive, miles away, probably say thank you for helping him grow new. He wants the life with hope and remember here wise love. Thank you.